Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Oh my goodness, look at my hair. I think you're either gonna love it or you're gonna hate it, but I would love to hear from you. I personally feel like being turned 45, I need a little change in my life. And couple months ago, I took away my signature look, the white stripe, that's a gray hair, and now I'm going to all full-on blonde. It's gonna be very expensive and upkeep, so definitely check out my Instagram story and follow my look. I'll be changing a lot of different hair color, different styles. So, oh, okay, let's get focused now. Today we are going to do, hold please. Today we are going to do, ta-da! Louis Vuitton unboxing, and it's my birthday month, and I got something for myself, and I can't wait to show you what I got. Let's get into it. Are you ready to see what I got this time? Oh my god, I'm so excited. So this is the box. It's a flat box. That means this piece can be flat down. Do you know what piece is that? So ta-da! It's right here. So let me show you. Oh my god. Look at this beautiful Speedy Bandolier with a collaboration with a Grace Coddington. And this pattern is so adorable. And you know, honestly, at first I thought it's all cats, but it's not. There's a doggy, there's a cat, there's toys in here. And I kind of, let me just get closer to show you guys, okay? So there, on this side has a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cats with 2 doggy on this side. So 5 cat, 2 dog. And then on this side here, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this back here is 6 cat and 1 doggy on the LV trunk. On the side has a 3 kitty, and this side has, I believe they are all 2 kitty right here. And you can see the texture of this. The cat or dog, the cartoon character is actually imprint on the canvas. So it's really, really beautiful. And it did some really cute area like let me show right here, like the monogram prints right here. You can see the cat is actually holding this. So it's really, really cute. There's a lot of detail into it. And one thing I have to say that's slightly disappointed, I think you all like me, if LV is making this effort, making the bag so pretty, so you would think the strap gonna be beautiful, right? What the hell? Seriously? Seriously, you give me a standard strap. I mean, honestly, I feel like if you're gonna charge me a couple $100 more, I will get a special strap, because this is just standard strap. I mean, look at this. I mean, I don't know. I mean, I was hoping they can put a special strap with this kind of orange, red, and brownish monogram color. Would that be more amazing? But you know, I think this is the down part. I'm not really careful for this part, so it's quite annoying, honestly. Hey, leave the comment below if you feel the same way I do, because I cannot be the only one feel this way, right? Alright, so this Speedy 30 Bandolier, I always want to purchase this, but I just feel like it's so iconic, so classic, and I'm always buying latest piece, so I just don't feel like I want to spend that much money buying the classic bag. And I'm just so excited now. There's a collaboration, made this special limited piece right here. I mean, it's absolutely beautiful. I'll show you close detail. And how do you know this is 30? Very simple. If you look at the side of the hook right here, it will tell you what size is the bag. So it doesn't matter you bought a Speedy or Speedy Bandolier or Keep All. They always put a number right here. So 30 means from this point to this point is about 30 inches. That's what it is. And inside is definitely adorable. Inside, let me show you, so cute. It has a lots of mouths. See how cute that is? Everything is based in orange. And they have a print everywhere. And they also have her signature right here. Let me show you, so I don't break this bag. Let me get close to show you right here. See that? That's a Grace Coddington's signature back in there. So it's absolutely adorable. And this bag is made in France. So you can see it on the side base right here. I mean, like I said, I think this is definitely a piece I'll be using a lot, because I found I used to like to carry clutch, but I feel like just so hard for me to travel and carry those things. So I need something to just put on my shoulder and go. So this is definitely a style I'm really looking forward to rock the style. What do you think? Leave a comment below, let me know if you like this or if you don't like this. It won't hurt my feeling. Honestly, I was making decision between either the Speedy Bandolier 30 or the Keep All. Or the Never Full. I'll show you a picture right here, you can look at it. I just feel I have one Never Full and I only use a couple times. It just feel like, I don't know, it's too heavy to carry them, so I don't. So I'm hoping with this piece I will be using more. I can't wait to rock this. It's almost end of the year now. I want to take some moment and say thank you so much for all your support on my YouTube channel and all my other social media. I say 1,000 times that I can't keep going doing this without all your support, and so I really appreciate that. And any feedback and comment that leave it below, I would love to hear from you. And I recently did a lot of giveaway and I really hope you enjoy that. And that's it. I just want to say thank you, and the most important thing, follow all my social media right here and subscribe my YouTube channel. Alright, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!